I found a very different type of book for Succulent stitching craft pad. I searched the Amazon price and it's $13.79. This book, $1 in Dollar Tree. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you to my favorite store. I'm taking you to my Dollar Tree. Let's see what my Dollar Tree carries. I keep seeing L'Oreal products in the Dollar Trees, and I also saw the mason jars, the colorful ones I saw in the holes. Let's see if my Dollar Tree carries those. So we will check it out together. At the end I'm going to share my haul too, so stay tuned. I finally found these summer goodies. Yeah, these are so nice. You can do a lot with them. Oh, this is new too, by the way. I'm sure there's more. Oh, these are different. Yeah, these are plastic, by the way, not glass. That's watermelon and some strawberries and kiwi. I'm sure they have more here from these. I'm gonna find those. But I want to show you before these party goodies. Oh, these are napkins. Look at those napkins. I'm gonna show you all of these napkins. So far I found only 3 kind. These are gorgeous. I'm gonna put these back. They're not gonna stay on the floor. And there's some plates. Again, same thing to go with those plastic glasses. I don't want to say glass. They're not made with glass, but plastic. You understand what I mean. Another one here. And oh, these are new too. So much fun stuff. Oh, look at these plates. These ones. Oh, there are more here. Yeah. If you're gonna do a lot of parties this year, Dollar Tree covers you very well. I told you that there should be more, and I found more from these tumblers. These are for 4th of July. Red and blue. Yeah. Anyway, there should be more from those tumblers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's a few more here. And flamingo. I like flamingo. Flamingo is my favorite. In my last haul, I actually showed flamingo plates and trays, but I don't see the trays anymore. I only see this kind and some bowls. Oh no, what happened to the tray? Oh, okay, I see them. I see them, they're here. But there should be another kind from this, something tin. I will put my whole video in the link in the description box below. You guys can check those out. And there's more flamingo here. Kitchen towels, dish drying mats, and I'm trying to show as much as I can, but I don't want to keep the video very long either, so you guys don't get bored of me. Okay, some flip-flops came to my Dollar Tree too, but I didn't hear good things about these flip-flops. Yeah, but still cute designs, and you can use these in your DIYs. And more designs. That. Okay. And more flamingo. Yeah. This year, everything has flamingo in Dollar Tree. Some garlands. Okay, more flamingos, pineapples. These are inflatable decors. Okay. Oh, a huge flamingo jointed cutout. Yeah. I don't see unicorns this year. And pineapples. That is nice. I wish it didn't have a lot of glitter like this. It looks like books are very organized today. me show the other side too. Oh my god, there are a lot of cute stuff for kids. Look at these. Leah puts on her clothes. Another thing for kids. I have some books to finish at home actually, but I'm still looking at books here. I found a very different type of book for Succulent stitching craft pad. It's just like an envelope. You open it at the back, and it's hard to show it, but I'm going to show. This keeps folding. Yes, just like this. There are some cute designs. It would be a perfect gift for someone who likes stitching. Yes, that's very different book. I searched the Amazon price and it's $13.79. This book, $1 in Dollar Tree. And this is the sticker section in my Dollar Tree. Something nice for kids. Yeah, let's see what else. I will just show you. Okay, what else? Oh, that's a cool one. Let's see some notebooks. Oh, this is new. I didn't see this one before. Yeah, I didn't see this one. Oh, I didn't see this one before too. This is new too. Okay. What else? Oh, I didn't see this one before too. Enjoy the little things. It's a beautiful day. I have these already, so I'm not gonna pick these up. Oh, there's some Crayola washable markers. That's cool. And there's some cool washi tapes here. Oh, I really like these space related things. That's a nice one too. Ooh, more Minions. It looks like Dollar Tree started to get more Minion items, guys. What is this shape? Wow, I never knew that Dollar Tree was selling scissors like this. Look at these. Oh my god. These are all cute, but I don't know how well they're cutting. I never used Jot brand scissors. Should I give it a try? Look what I found here. Cognac sponge. And look at the old price for this. $3.98. So somewhere else sold the same item here for that price. But I never tried this. Yeah, I think I'm going to give this one a try. Ooh, look at that. This is new in Dollar Tree. Natural Loofah exfoliating soap bars. This one. And there's also this kind with the coconut pina colada scented. Okay. Do you see these guys? It was actually sold as $4.78 somewhere else. But $1 in Dollar Tree. I have never used this brand, but I think I will give this one a try. Wait, what? I didn't see wire jute cord before in Dollar Tree. These are new. Yep. It is 7.5 feet. Look what else I found. The scungy or scunsy headband. That's nice. Because these are more expensive than $1 outside of Dollar Tree. I know that much. And this is a different design. Let's see if there's anything new. Color applicator. What else? Oh, this is something new too. Scungy again. Okay. Oh, different colors. Oh, that's very nice. I really like that colorful one. More scungy. Hair color machine snap clips. And there's actually more for little girls. And what else? Oh, look at these. Something nice for little kids, little girls. And more colors. And more. And more. Oh my god, look at that. That is nice. Look at that. I hope you guys can see it very clear. And let's see. Oh, there's another color. Silver. This one looks nice though. Look at this. Some cards for Mother's Day. Let me show you. Happy Mother's Day. Okay. Let's check out this one. Happy Mother's Day. Okay. Mom, with love from your little piece. That's a funny one. Look, there's something for grandmas too. Well, they are mother too, so place picture or drawing here. Okay. Thank you for being who you are. Ooh. That's different. Oh, this is for the mom to be. From your future child. Okay. That's cute. That is cute. That's really cute. Okay, I don't want to leave it like this. Mom. Oh, that's cute too. Okay. Oh, that is very beautiful. Oh, look at the colors. To an amazing mother. I really like blue theme. What else? For my lovely mom on Mother's Day. And have a Mother's Day. It's beautiful with flowers. Happy Mother's Day to my daughter. Oh, it's from the mother to the daughter. Who is a mom? Look what else I found in this Dollar Tree. I know guys, a lot of you are telling that your store didn't carry or out of these bamboo cutting boards. I found 4 more. I got lucky today. Yay, it's coming with me. I am back and I want to show you what I got very quickly. I picked up these 2 sweet summertime. These are so cool for DIYs. Even just using them just like this, it's just so cute. So I picked these 2. I also picked up these 2 bottles, the flamingo bottles. This one is green and all over flamingos. Dollar Tree has a lot of flamingos this year. So we're gonna keep seeing more flamingos in Dollar Tree. So this one says stand tall and stand out. Again, flamingo, but this one is a pink one. And I also picked up this mason jar. This is so much fun. I mean, look at the straw and it's so cute. There were other colors like blue and green, but I got this one. I only got one. I also grabbed these shells from Dollar Tree. I wish it had some varieties inside, but it's just white shells. I was looking for this kind of jar for a long time. They are back, so maybe you guys can see these in your Dollar Trees too. It's perfect for a kitchen or even in the bathroom usage. You can put your cotton balls inside to keep in your bathroom or in the kitchen, you know. And I also picked up these natural loofah exfoliating soap bars by Spongeables. I have never seen these in Dollar Tree before, and I didn't see another kind. And on the strip, you know, Dollar Tree has those strips. The strip that I found on the top, it was saying $4.78 or 98 cents, something like that. So it looks like somewhere else was selling these items was that much, but it's $1 in Dollar Tree. So that's a good find, but I don't know how well this brand is. I didn't search it on the Google yet. And I also found this wire jute cord. It was surprising find for me because I have never seen wire jute cord in Dollar Tree before. Another item, this sponge. I found this on the strip and it was telling more than $3. I have never used sponges like this before, so I will just give this one a try too. And I also found this kanji, or I don't know how to read, kanji or skunsi. I found this hair band. I was afraid that I was never gonna find the wood stems again, but it looks like they put them back again. I don't know why. I don't know if they were out or if these were in their depot. So I have no idea. I have a DIY with these, like this one and also this one. So you guys can turn these into succulent planters, and I will put the video in the description box for you if you want to follow it. When I saw this, I grabbed all four, as you see here, because two of my Dollar Trees are out of these bamboo boards. If you have this already, or if you find these, I have two DIYs with these. One of them is a kitchen paper towel holder, which is this one. Let me show. I made this. I also made this decorative tray by using again those wooden boards, and I also put the rulers that I actually picked it up more in Dollar Tree. Again, I picked these up too before they ran out again, so I picked these up too. These are rulers and you can use in your DIYs. And guys, I forgot to show one more thing. Is this L'Oreal Colors of Fader shampoo. I found it. Yes, I did. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give thumbs up. And I'm doing shopping hauls and DIYs in this channel. You can stick around and you can subscribe to me if you want. So I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.